This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. This time, help the bee collect all the nectar using as few blocks as possible. So I have 1 block here, and I'm only going to use 6. Okay, so as few blocks, I'm first just going to start throwing code down, because it helps me think. I'm going to move forward, and it looks like I need a nectar. Fine. I'm going to move forward again, and I need a nectar. Okay. But that's only going to get me here. So, and I know it says I shouldn't be using any more move blocks. I'm going to keep going because we're just testing. I can be wrong at first. All right, well that I think gets me to the corner. And then I'm going to turn right, I believe. Move forward, get nectar. Let's test this out. So step forward, yep. Get 1 nectar, yep. Forward, yep. Nectar, yep. Forward, yep. Nectar, yep. Turn right, cool. Forward and nectar. Well, now I want to keep going, because this is working just fine. But notice something here. I'm way over on blocks. But let's keep going. It makes it easier for me to plan out, and I do this all the time. And is it another turn right here, and then maybe forward? The great thing about coding is you can be wrong a ton, as long as you're trying to solve it. Turn right? Huh, okay. Hopefully you're screaming at your computer. You're like, Mister, what are you doing? Because you don't need to repeat yourself. And look at this. I'm repeating myself a lot. First off, right when I turn right, what if I break these up? What am I doing here? Move forward, forward, nectar, forward, nectar, forward, nectar, right. And then I was about to start that all over again on this edge. So how many edges are there to a square? 4. Well, instead of repeating all of that code 4 times, quacha, 4. But notice I'm still over on blocks. Well, I hope you're again yelling at your computer because look, quacha, quacha. Once again, what am I doing? I'm repeating myself. Move forward, move forward, move forward. Move, get nectar, get nectar, get nectar. Chup, chup. And see how there's one more of these? It's telling us, hey, we should use this. 3, right? So now I can repeat all that 3 times. Now, I need right underneath it, because I don't need to go right every block. I only want to go right after I move 3. Let me step you through one side. So the computer hits this and says, okay, I got to do all of this 4 times. Oh, first I need to do this 3 times. So I move forward once, I get nectar. Hit the bottom of the pink mouth thing, zoop, go back to just this one because I'm inside this smaller one, the nested loop. I'm going to move forward one more time, get nectar. Well, that was twice. My third round, zoop, back to the top here. I'll move forward, I'll grab some nectar. Now I'm done. I've done this 3 times. So now I can drop beneath this repeat 3 and turn right. Well, now I'm done with that. I hit the bottom. Well, I got to do this repeat 4 3 more times. So I go zoop, and now, oh yeah, I got to repeat, okay, this 3 times. Move forward. Let's see how we did. Pretty cool. So we can harness the power of repeat blocks inside of each other. Nested loops. Onward.